Let's learn the sound of the day.
Now this is the phonics part. If you touch it,
Milk.
milk. Sound.
Let's find the
And
sound
then now
of
after
the
the
day.
practicing the sounds, and then just they can practice.
Table.
Table is sound? Yes or no? Then get the star.
Girl.
Girl, girl, yes, no. Okay, then you can ask the next two students after showing the
Milk.
samples. Milk, right?
Bin.
Bean. No. The student can come out, each student can touch, and they can answer by touching and repeating the word.
Let's learn the
After
letter
that, they
of the
recognize
day.
the sound and spelling, and then they can learn the word again.
Milk.
And what then sound? And now they show the letter. M. So this is a really important part. When you teach phonics all the time, you have to think about it. We have to show the whole language first, and then they have to learn the sound, they have to pronounce it well, and then they can learn the letters of the letters, and then they can practice writing later. So sounds is the first all the time for the students.
Let's find the
Now
letter
for
of
the
the
phonics,
day.
they review the alphabet song again.
Let's
Then you can
find
sing.
the letter and sound.
Letter and sound. Can you see this puzzle? So tap the flashing pieces. So we have to tap the flashing pieces. Sound. It's right. Then we can touch and drag it. And then now here. No. Then button to change the position. No. 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 Yes. Good. Then now they can see what?
Mouse.
Mouse. But there's only one game, do you think, for M sound? No, never. If you touch this redo button, then can you see, can you guess what is the word? It changed it to milk, right? If you touch the redo button, then can you guess what's that? Milk again. So anyways, the picture behind the puzzles that will be changed if you touch this redo button. So you can make practice a lot for your students. And then after play these parts,
Let's
and
play
then
the
student
letter
can play
and
the game.
sound.
And then you can touch this and P, no. What is that? M, moo sound.
M sounds
Right?
like
It's M. A, no. S, no. It's a sound. So you can ask a student to come out, they can touch, and they can find out M sound. When they
like
complete it, this game will be finished. So this is the first part of, as you see, there are 5 buttons, and then it's all. Then we can go back to the original lesson. So first part. Okay, when you finish lesson 1, then we can touch lesson 2. We can keep going. So when you
Let's
start
remember
all
songs.
lessons every time, it shows the review part. So you don't have to prepare which part do I have to review or which one can I pick and choose for review classes or warm-up parts. Then just you can follow it, no problem. And then after singing alphabet song again,
Let's
do you remember the lesson?
sentences.
For the sentences, they review the sentence.
Hello. Hello.
And then they can review it.
Let's learn about.
Do you remember the
our
learn about
classroom.
pages? It's almost everything. So vocabulary sentences, they can say hello, what's your name, everything. You can discuss about it. So the first learn about page and second learn about page should be different because first learn about page, they have to take some information what they have and then you have to add some more for the students. But second learn about part, just you have to review some lessons they already studied before. And then just they can talk
Let's
about
learn
it.
new words.
New words review and then do you
Bin.
remember this one?
Table.
And you can redo button, it will be changed it.
Let's practice
Do you
words.
remember practice part, review?
Let's practice
This game,
words.
review.
Let's use words.
Do you remember this game too, right? You can review it, but don't forget, not reviewing quickly by your fingers. You have to ask your student to come out and join the activity all the time. You have to give them more chances.
Let's learn new words.
Now new words, right? This is a new lesson. Then,
Mitten,
mitten,
motorcycle,
motorcycle,
monkey,
monkey.
mouse,
It's phonics word. Monkey phonics.
muffin,
Muffin.
moose,
Moose.
mailbox,
Mailbox. And then they can practice it. I told you just to touch the read button, the position will be changed, right?